여러분 안녕하세요. Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to study grammar 을까요. This grammar 을까요 is from the textbook EPS-TOPIK, Unit 13, Part 2. Let's begin. Okay, we use 을까요 after a verb to suggest somebody to do something together. Okay, so actually we use 을까요 in a question forms. Okay, repeat after me. 을까요, 을까요. And 을까요 corresponds to shall we or why don't we in English. Okay, take a look at this conversation. 투안 and 수루. In this conversation, 투안 suggests 수루 to do something together. Okay, let's read the conversation. Repeat after me. 우리 영화 볼까요? One more time. 우리 영화 볼까요? 좋아요. Okay, 좋아요. Okay, in this conversation, 투안 suggests 수루 to watch a movie. Another example. 투안 says, 오늘 저녁 같이 먹을까요? One more time. 오늘 저녁 같이 먹을까요? 수루 says, 미안해요. 오늘은 바빠요. One more time. 미안해요. 오늘은 바빠요. Let's check the meaning. 오늘, today, 저녁, dinner, 같이, together, 먹을까요? Shall we eat? So this sentence means, shall we eat dinner together this evening or today? Shall we eat dinner today? 수루 says, 미안해요. I'm sorry. 오늘은 바빠요. I am busy. Okay. Like in this conversation, you can say 볼까요 and 먹을까요. This 을까요 is used to suggest something. Now let's study how to use 을까요 with some verbs. If the verb stem ends in a consonant, 을까요 is added. Can you read this verb? This verb is 먹다. 먹다. 먹다 means to eat. In this base form, just remove the and 먹 is the verb stem. Okay, this verb stem ends in a consonant. So we put 을까요 to suggest. So what is the conjugation? 먹을까요? 먹을까요? 먹다 means to eat, but 먹을까요 means shall we eat? Another example, let's read. 앉다. 앉다 means to sit. Also, 앉다 verb ends in a consonant. So we put 을까요. What is the conjugation? Yes, 앉을까요. Repeat after me. 앉을까요. One more time. 앉을까요. Okay, that means shall we sit? Another verbs. Repeat after me. 읽다. 읽다 means to read. Also, ends in a consonant, we put 을까요. The conjugation is, yes, 읽을까요? 읽을까요? That means, shall we read something? What about this one? 듣다. 듣다 means to listen something. Also, ends in a consonant, so we put 을까요. And what is the conjugation? Be careful this one. The conjugation is 들을까요? Repeat after me. 들을까요? 들을까요? Why this one not 들을까요? Because 듣다 is a kind of a the irregular conjugation verb. We call this one the irregular conjugation. If a verb stem ends in a the consonant like this 듣다, and when added to an ending which begins with a vowel, is an empty consonant, nothing. So this ending begins with a vowel. In that case, this the change to ru. So conjugation is not 들을까요, but 들을까요. Okay, let's repeat. 듣다, 들을까요. You should memorize this one more time. 듣다, 들을까요. Okay, 들을까요 means shall we listen? Okay, next. If the verb stem ends in a vowel or ends in a ru consonant, in that case, we put ru consonant and 까요. Let's practice with some verbs. Okay. Take a look at this verb. 보다. 보다 means to see. 보다, the verb stem ends in a vowel. Okay. Ends in a vowel. In that case, we put 르 and 까요. So the conjugation is 볼까요? Repeat after me. 볼까요? 볼까요? Shall we see or shall we watch? Another example. 만나다. 만나다 means to meet. Also, the verb stem ends in a vowel. So we put 르 and 까요. The conjugation is 만날까요? 만날까요? That means, shall we meet? Or why don't we meet? This verb, 마시다. 마시다 means to drink something. Also, ends in a vowel, we put 르까요. The conjugation is, yes, 마실까요? 마실까요? That means, shall we drink something? Another verb, 배우다. 배우다 means to learn. Also, ends in a vowel, we put 르 and 까요. Conjugation is, yes, 배울까요? 배울까요? That means, shall we learn something? Now, let's practice some verbs which ends in ru consonant. Okay, can you read? Yes, 만들다. 만들다 means to make. This verbs ends in a ru consonant. In that case, we put ru and 까요. But if you add ru and 까요, there are two ru, right? In that case, this ru is dropped and we use only one. So the conjugation is, repeat after me, 만들까요? 만들까요? That means, shall we make? Another example, 놀다. 놀다 means to play. Also ends in ru consonant. So we put 르까요 to suggest. So the conjugation is 놀까요? 놀까요? Shall we play? Why don't we play? Now let's practice if you can understand. Okay, look at this verb, 먹다. Okay, and you want to suggest. How can you say? Actually, you want to say, Shall we eat 불고기? In that case, how can you say 불고기를 먹다? Which one is right? Yes, ends in a consonant. So we put 을까요? 불고기를 먹을까요? Repeat after me. 불고기를 먹을까요? One more time. 불고기를 먹을까요? Another one. 보다, to see or to watch. Okay, but you want to say like this. Why don't we watch TV? Shall we watch TV? Like this, you want to suggest to watch TV. How can you say? 텔레비전을 보다. 텔레비전을 볼까요? Repeat after me. 텔레비전을 볼까요? What about 만나다? 만나다. The verb stem ends in a vowel. So in that case, we put 르 and 까요. So actually you want to say like this. Shall we meet this evening? So how can you say 오늘 저녁에 yes. 만날까요? Repeat after me. 오늘 저녁에 만날까요? One more. 됐다. Do you remember? 됐다. st irregular. So you want to say, why don't we listen to the music? In that case, how can you say? 음악을 and in the consonant, so we should put 을까요, but this is the irregular. So 음악을 들을까요? 음악을 들을까요? Okay, did you understand? This is the end of lesson today. I hope you understood the grammar 을까요 and enjoy the lesson. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on my next videos. 감사합니다.